One. Okay, so today we're going to go ahead and we're going to demonstrate how to make a large planter with the tray on it. Okay, so I've got about 6 pounds of here, 6 pounds of clay here. So we'll go ahead and do the usual. We'll do a little bit of wheel wedging. All right. And these are kind of nice. I do like the idea of everything kind of being attached together, and then you don't have to make a separate tray. All right, so we'll just do a little bit of this. Okay, we'll do it one more time. And I like to do usually 3 wheel wedges. Okay. Oh, here's a little trick. If you're getting a volcano, I like to call that. So if you bring it up and you get a little bit of this, you just take your hand on the side and you just apply a little pressure. And then you get rid of it. Okay? All right, we ready? Everybody ready? Okay, ready. So we'll make our opening. All right, so we're going to go ahead and drop down. We're not going to trim this, so we want to go, just have a normal size bottom. All right, we're going to bring this guy up. Now this time, here's the catch to this. I'm not going to touch a lot of the weight that's down here. I'm actually going to start my pull right about here. Okay? Right about here. Right about maybe halfway. Okay? So we're going to go like this. We're going to take this. And then I'm just going to bring that guy up. I left a lot of clay on that bottom, okay? And we're going to compress that rim. I want a nice big rim. But again, we've got a lot of weight here. So we're going to do that again. We're going to make a pull. Again, I'm not going all the way to the bottom. But you see, I'm going to bring that guy up. Yeah, tricky, right? All right, cool, right? Now we can start thinking about that tray down there. So now we've got all this extra clay down there. I'll probably do another pull just to see, so we can get a little bit more height here. Yeah. Nah, I'm going to make a different one. I'm going to make like a more of an, how do you like that rim? It's like that big English one, right? Nice and rounded. Does that look okay? That kind of looks nice. I like that. And then we could go ahead and make the shape a little bit. So I'll take that S12. All right. And just kind of pull that into that shape.
Should flower pots be a little thicker to allow for all the water and stuff that goes in them?
It's probably not a bad, that's a great question. So should a flower pot be thicker for all the water and stuff? And to some degree, the answer is yes. If you have terracotta clay, that'll be a little porous and take it in. But maybe it just being outside, it's just got better utility if it's a little thicker. So you don't want these things super thin. They're going to be really kind of roughhoused, right? So I should make sure not to make this super thin. I'm trying to stretch it out so we can get just a little bit more out of this. Okay, that's pretty good. Now, this is when I take and do this. I'm going to compress. All right, so I'm going to take my finger and I'm going to compress this down. All right. You can use the wooden rib, too. Wooden rib's really nice for this job. So we're going to take this, and we're just going to go like that. Okay, you see how nice that looks? And then we're going to go like this. All right, so I got this little floating disc down there. Now, I'm going to try to find my sponge, okay, which is over here. We're going to add a little bit of water. And now I'm going to pinch here and start to pull it up, all right? And push down, because I can go down a little bit. So we're going to create, yep. Okay, and at the same time, I'm making that right there, okay? All right. Now I can cut this if I want to even this out. Take a little bit of the needle tool. Get that guy. This one ran that way. All right. We'll soften that. And then we'll take our wooden rib, wherever it's at. And I'm going to go like this and just kind of clean this up. And then you just go like that. And that is pretty much, let's just double check. You know, you poke holes down here too for water, but we won't do that till it's leather hard. All right. Yeah, I'll probably go from the inside out at that level. But that is exactly how you make this. Okay, I'll lift it up here in a second. Yeah, I like that big, wide circular rim. But there you go. There's your.
Thank you, Lou.
Thanks.